friends, welcome to the Universal. Today I am going to explain about how to calculate CFM of a HU. Okay, suppose uh, we have assumed that each of the filter has same area 4 feet square. Okay, to calculate to simplify the calculation. Okay, now we have anemometer. We will place the anemometer behind the filter. Okay, we have AHU, behind that we have filters, many filters are there. Suppose I am taking four filters of this AHU. Okay, first we place anemometer here in this corner. Second, we will go through here, third here, fourth here, and fifth here. Okay, now assume that at the point of A we got some feet per minute. Okay, there in anemometer you can use as a feet per minute or meter per second, something somehow it will change. Okay, there you will find the feet per minute. Put the feet per minute there and place your anemometer at the point of A. Suppose at the point of A we got at point 1. Okay, we get the speed of anemometer 10 feet per minute. Okay, and at the point of 2 there is 15 feet per minute, and at the point of 3 we will take here also 15 feet per minute. It will change because according to the place, according to the time it will change, but I'm here supposing that at the point of 1 this much, at the point of this much. Okay, so you have to see how the calculation is going on. Okay, here 20 feet per minute, and at the point of fifth it is 10 suppose feet per minute. Now we will go for average for this filter. Okay, we have suppose A, B, C, D, four filters are there. Filter A, filter B, filter C, filter D. For the filter A, here for filter A, okay, we got some speeds. Okay, now we will take the average of this all the points. So we will calculate the average of above point is equal to 10 plus 15 plus 15 plus 20 plus 10. How many points we have taken? 5 na, so we will divide by 5. 30, 40, 60, 70. 70 by 5. Is it feet per minute? You have to mention all the unit, otherwise it will go to the negative side. Okay, 14 feet per minute. Suppose we got this one, but there is something in anemometer, there you will find the power factor. So with that power factor you have to multiply. Okay, so suppose power factor of an anemometer is equal to 10 Therefore, average flow for filter A is equal to 14 into 10 feet per minute. Okay, here you will get 140 feet per minute. Till now you get one filter flow. Okay, same we will calculate for the B and for the C and for the D. Okay, suppose for filter B, flow is equal to suppose 160 feet per minute. Okay, for filter C, flow is equal to 140. For the filter D, flow is equal to 200 suppose feet per minute. Now we will take all the flow to calculate the flow which takes place by this HU. Okay, total flow is equal to 140 plus 160 plus 140 plus 200. Okay, here 40 6 4 10 14 0 2 3 4 5 6 feet per minute. Now we will multiply this total flow with area of the filter. Okay, total area of the filter is equal to 4 into 4 square feet. We have 4 filters, so we have multiply with 4, 16 feet square. Now CFM is equal to this total velocity 640 into total area into 16. This will be 10,240. Now we get total CFM of this AHU. Okay, we have dimensions of filter in centimeter or mm. Suppose we have in centimeter 600 centimeter into 300 centimeter. How we will convert it, I'm going to explain to you. 600 I know or we know, whatever, if you know then we know that. Okay, 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. So from here 2.54 centimeter is equal to 1 inch. Okay, 1 inch. Now 600 centimeter is equal to 1 by 2.54 into 600. This is the real formula, not formula, the conversion, how we will go for conversion of the centimeter into inch. We get some inch here, suppose x inch. Now we will divide this one by 12 to get feet. Here we will not do because inch is there, so it will get feet. Now this is the way to convert centimeter into feet. Okay, same here we will convert this one 300 cm into feet. Now after that we will multiply to find the area of this filter. Okay, suppose we have 800 mm. Now we are in mm and 200 mm. Okay, so this will 80 centimeter and this will 12 10 20 centimeter. Okay, because 10 mm is equal to 1 centimeter. So from here we will convert this one. Hope you guys understand how we will find the CFM of AHU or any of the confined area or any of the area. Okay, so if you guys are new on this channel, please subscribe my channel and share my video and like.